Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get a Snapchat so I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, you can let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. So guys, there is the Snapchat, so that generally means Snapchat Spotlight. So how you can get a Snapchat Spotlight? Firstly, just go all the way down to this menus. On your bottom right corner you can have this play type button. Just go over here. Once you are in the button, so this is your Spotlight button. So from here you can have everything, let's say, about the show. So you can go over here, you can check everything that a Spotlight of Snapchat contains. So there are a lot of videos, a lot of Spotlight, let's say. So that's how you get. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.